Okay, hi everybody. We're going to talk about what is normal aging. It's good to have a sense of what normal is in order to aspire to it. The best data for longevity comes from the Seventh-day Adventists in Loma Linda, California. It's right by Los Angeles. And the female vegans lived an average of 89.6 years. The male vegans, 87 years. So there's subtypes of Adventists. It's part of their religion to be vegetarian, but they're variable. You know, some are lacto with milk, ovo with eggs, or pesco with fish. But the ones that were more close to pure vegetarians, plant-based only, they lived the longest, 89.6 years. Now, a lot of people think, oh, the joke, why do women live longer? Because they're not married to women. Okay, that's kind of a stupid joke. Well, sometimes they are, so maybe not. But anyways, Okinawans are thought to live longer than the Seventh-day Adventists, but not as well documented. There's Okinawans that are 110 years old, and they're still physically fit and working. The other thing, too, is that I'm showing longevity curves here. Here's a typical American, the red line here. They're doing okay up until about 35, 40. They start getting fat, and they gradually just get sicker and sicker with hypertension and diabetes by around 50 or so, and they suffer terrible problems. There's sort of this illusion that people are aging well. They are not. I can assure you, they're going blind, they're getting their feet chopped off, they're getting open heart surgery. I consider that a disaster, okay? Versus healthy aging, somebody who exercises, eats 100% plant-based diet, they're usually quite healthy until up towards the end, and then it's like falling off a cliff. I think if a person does everything right, it's reasonable to expect that the average age of death will probably be about 95 years of age. Dr. John McDougall worked with this population. He's considered one of the best nutrition doctors in the whole world. And he said a lot of the persons in this best so-called group actually didn't have the greatest health habits. And it's pretty much the case. If you look anywhere where there's a combination of old-fashioned endemic populations eating plant-based diets in combination with a more citified, urbanized group, the rural ones, as long as they're not exposed to rural pesticides, they're always a lot healthier, live longer, less dementia. They don't get all these atherosclerosis diseases of the heart and the brain, and they don't get these constipation diseases of the abdomen. So what am I saying is if you eat right, sleep right, manage your stress, you can hope for an average, optimal average age of 95, at least 89.6, and you should really be pretty healthy up until the end. You know, sick people take medicines, as they say. You know, a healthy person, you don't need to take a pill if you're healthy. I'm 57, I don't take any medicines. And most disease is caused by eating the wrong diet and not managing your stress. That's usually what it comes down to. So anyways, there it is, 89.6 years as far as what is known for best longevity at this time.